morning, my friends. We're driving. We have arrived to LA and we are gonna go shopping with Mia, mom and daughter. It's gonna be a good day. Right, Mia? She's about to fall asleep. The Parfums de Marly event. Everything looks amazing, fantastic. They have painted art, so many different things. Is everything fabulous, and I'm just so excited. Oh yes, so let me tour you around. We're here at the Parfums de Marly event, and I want to introduce you. I'm sure everybody knows who she is. Hello. Yes, we are fans of Parfums de Marly, but we also met a little bit with Sublimage. I know.
But we are huge fans of all things luxury, and I am so happy to have finally met Jacqueline in person. I see her on videos all the time, so put in a name, a face, a connection. It was just so beautiful, and this is such a beautiful soul, you guys. She's so sweet in real life. Aww. Just saying, you know, you meet people and sometimes they're different, but you're so sweet in real life.
No, same thing with her. She's amazing. Such a bright soul, full of spark. I will highly suggest you go check her channel. I will be leaving the link to her channel on the description box below, so please visit her, say hi, give her a lot of love, because oh my gosh, you will find so much content from her, valuable content.
So, you're so sweet. Yes.
Hi everyone, here with Jacqueline. I hope you are all great. We have a beautiful event here in Los Angeles for Mother's Day. I hope everybody's fine, and see you soon.
Well, good morning, my friends. I'm here in the bathroom of the hotel. Very nice hotel, I will have to say. Everything really looks modern, very clean, organized. It has 2 bedrooms, so there's a total of 5 beds for all of us, and in fact there is even an extra one. There's even a bunk bed. Really nice hotel. But yes, I'm just getting ready for the Chanel event. Yesterday I had the event at Parfums de Marly. Well, it was at the London Hotel in Beverly Hills, and it was in partnership between Nordstrom and Parfums de Marly, and it was fabulous. So I came across Sheree. Oh my gosh, it was so much fun. She is as sweet and as vibrant and bubbly as she shows herself on her YouTube channel. So that was such a nice surprise, honestly, to meet her. I was like, wow, Sheree, and she knew who I was. I was like, you know me, you know me, because her channel is way bigger than mine, and you know, sometimes, I mean, I don't think that everybody will know me, who I am, or what I do, and oh my gosh, she is so sweet. Anyhow, right now I just washed my face, and let me show you what I brought in terms of like skincare. It's very simple. Let me just turn the camera. Basically, this is it. There's not much. I have my samples right here. This is the good thing about having little samples. So I have here my Chantecaille. This is the Bio Lifting Serum, which you know I love. Also the treatment lotion by La Mer. So I'm just gonna keep it super simple because I'm actually running out of time. So let me just open it here. It's hard to try to okay, I took them out from the box, but you know, my friends, I love these things, and I'm so happy to have a little one. And you know, these I never go without my Bio Lifting Serum by Chantecaille. And then I love the TATCHA, the water cream. It's really nice and lightweight, perfect for under makeup. So yeah, that's it. And then I had a sample of this one. You know, I love my Bifacil, so this is something that I remove any extra grime and whatnot. This is Shiseido cotton pads, and yeah, let me just put all of this skincare and let's get going, because there is a drive to the location. So I'll just put you right here. This is hard. I didn't brought any tripod. I really need to get a tripod for this, but let me just show you what I'm gonna do. It's gonna be super fast, super easy. Just gonna put a little bit of my La Mer, the lotion treatment. This feels like silk, literally like silk. And Mia, she is getting ready on the other room. So I'm excited for this event, because I know, at least that's what I hear from my Cartier SA. He told me there's people flying from other countries to be at this event. Because this Chanel boutique is going to be the biggest, the largest in the world. They have been building it for I think 2 years. In fact, I would dare to say even pre-pandemic, and they may have to stop the construction during pandemic, but yeah. So I'm excited to see what they have and whatnot. I'm just going to use the water cream by TATCHA. But yeah, I'm excited to see what they have in-house. My essay told me that mainly they are gonna focus on the beauty today, because they have been moving so many things, but she may be able to show me other things. I mean, there's no collection that is launching at the moment, but I'm excited. I'm super excited. Okay, so that's a skincare. I know you're gonna tell me why you don't do it right here. I'm gonna do it in a second. It's just hard to be positioned like this. I have you prop on top of that Kleenex box, okay, friends? This is how hard it gets. Okay, so let me just get going right here, dress up, and I will take you to do my makeup perhaps. Let's just get going. Okay. And here she is, getting ready. Are you almost there, Mia? Yeah. Are you almost there? Yeah. Is it good morning? Good morning. Perhaps I give you a little tour in a little of the hotel, but this is a kitchen. I mean, like really nice. Let me show you what I got in terms of what I packed for makeup, so you can see what I have packed for this. It's not a lot. It is what it is. This is my makeup bag. I actually got it from Amazon. I will make sure to link it on the description box below. Here you have it. So yeah, it's a little bit extra. I brought basically 2 different eyeshadow quads from Tom Ford. I brought HAZY Sensuality, which is the newest one. And then I brought also, you know, my beloved one. If you know, you can even comment because you know which one it is. Is Suspicion. I also brought Moodlight for highlighter. This one is my older compact. I cannot open it. There you have it. I also brought my Shaded Illuminate Contour bronzer and highlighter, my HERMES bronzer. Love my Gucci setting powder. I brought this Patrick blush. I open it. This one is, she's blushing, I think. Yeah, she's blushing. I brought I love this Patrick lip mask, and then setting spray, my concealer by Chanel, my lip gloss that I love in the bath. You know, my friends, this is a new Tom Ford lipstick. I also brought this one. Perhaps I'm going to use this one because it's long wearing and I don't want to be thinking about what's going on. So this one is the Ultra Chanel by Chanel, but then I brought other pieces too. This one is by Hermes. This is gorgeous. Gorgeous. It's very, very shiny. I also brought another one. This is Diorelita by Christian Dior. A little bit more of like a mauve tone. Very, very beautiful. My Glow Recipe. Not Glow Recipe, sorry. My Super Good Glow Screen Sunscreen as my base. Let's see what else in here. So you know. Oh, I brought another color of this one. Yeah. Is that it? Oh yeah, and then my foundation is gonna be this one, the Chanel Numéro 1 de Chanel. And then my brushes are here. Okay friends, here you have me. I'm ready to go. Makeup is on. I have for jewelry my new Chanel earrings, my new Chanel necklace too, my Lucia earrings that you know, my friends, how much I love the earrings from Idol. And the Idol jewelry is beautiful, modular, super cute. You can always zhuzh it up. Excellent jewelry. My bracelets are from Bulgari. I also have my new bracelets from Idol. Let me show it to you right there. And then these cute pearl bracelet from Hilas. And I will show you my outfit in a minute. I forgot my suit at home. You know how this goes. I came with my kids, so I packed for the youngest one, for my boy, at least, well, Mia, she packs by herself, so that's fine, but you know how it is, so I forgot. I even sent it to tailor it, but anyhow, and I'm taking my Chanel Classic Flap small size in beige. So yes, friends, let's just get going so we don't arrive late. I'm excited, so let me take you over to the largest Chanel boutique in the world in Beverly Hills. The grand opening of the Chanel boutique in Beverly Hills was amazing. They welcomed us with champagne, they had macaroons. You could obviously order anything else that you wanted it, like if you wanted coffee or, you know, tea, whatever else you wanted to order, they were available for that. And when we arrived, one of my sales associates received me. Well, actually, no, going backwards. When we first arrived, it was really nice because actually 2 directors of Chanel welcomed us. I think both of them were from France. They were super sweet, super kind, welcoming, shaking hands as soon as you enter. And after that, my sales associate, well, one of my sales associates, she welcomed us to do Mia's and my makeup with 2 global makeup artists from Chanel, which was incredible. So they did all of our makeup. It was so sweet. And then we were able to go around. The entire boutique is a 3-story building. Oh my gosh. It is insane. It is insane. It's so beautiful. And then right in the middle, cascading, there is a sculpture of these pearls. Very iconic for Chanel. All the boutique is very minimalistic, black and white. I mean, again, very much Chanel. And up top on the rooftop, they have like a space for private events. There's 2 rooms for VIP clients too. And the second floor was all shoes. Oh my gosh, it was just stunning. Everything amazing. The collection that they are showcasing right now is the 23S, which I already bought a bag from that collection and a couple other things. So if you haven't watched that video with the unboxing, I will do so. Yes, I pick up a few other things from this collection. I will show it to you. Perhaps I will insert it right here, but there is some limited edition items only and exclusive for the Beverly Hills grand opening. Oh my gosh, from the jewelry. There were some jewelry pieces that they had onyx, diamonds. It was just literally out of this world. And then the night before, I went to an event. It was a cocktail party between Parfums de Marly and Nordstrom. So I was able to have a beautiful chat between Yvan Jacqueline. So I had a fabulous, fabulous time. And then the next day I went to Disneyland, which you have already seen a few of the clips. But now that I'm ready to go, so I'm ready to leave LA.
I'm falling to pieces in my room. Are you coming over? That's cool.
I'm now heading back home. I will definitely do another vlog telling you even more things about these, but it was so much fun, and also the great things that we had family time, which it is great.